Hey there, my awesome 3D printing aficionados. Get ready to level up your 3D printer game because Sousei FX is in the house. Buckle up and join us on this roller coaster ride of leveling your 3D printer. Let's make some magic happen. Alright, my fellow makers, let's talk about bed leveling. It's like giving your printer a spa treatment, making sure that bed is perfectly pampered for those jaw-dropping prints. So let's get this leveling party started. It's time to show those corners who's the boss. Adjust that leveling screw until the nozzle is just slightly above the bed. Now here's a cool tip for you. You have options for leveling your bed. You can grab a good old piece of paper and slide it under the nozzle, feeling for that gentle drag. Or, if you're lucky, some 3D printing companies ship a fancy 0.2 mm metal feeler gauge with your printer. It's like a high-tech bed leveling wizard in your hands. Now it's time to bring balance to the to the center of the bed. Repeat the same process as the corners, whether you're using the trusty paper method or the mighty metal feeler gauge. Both will guide you on your leveling quest, ensuring that sweet spot where your prints will shine. Remember, whether it's paper or a metal feeler gauge, the goal is to achieve a consistent and ideal gap between the nozzle and the bed. So choose your leveling weapon of choice and let's conquer that leveling challenge. It's time to put your printer's skills to the test. Start a test print and keep a keen eye on that first layer. If things look wonky or the print isn't sticking like it should, fear not. Fine-tune those leveling screws. Make tiny adjustments and retest until you get that flawless first layer. And hey, whether you're using a piece of paper or a metal feeler gauge, it's your trusty sidekick in this leveling adventure. And hey, if you have that 0.2 mm metal feeler gauge, it's like having a cheat code to leveling success. Plus, when you're using an auto bed leveling system, that metal feeler gauge comes to the rescue, ensuring your bed is perfectly in tune with the printer's magical calibration. The art of regular maintenance, my friends. Don't forget to periodically recheck and then level your bed, regardless of whether you're using paper, a metal feeler gauge, or even an auto bed leveling system. It's the secret to keeping your prints on point and your printer performing at its best. So give your bed some love and attention because it deserves to be pampered. Now you have the choice, my quirky comrades. Embrace the simplicity of paper or wield the power of a metal feeler gauge. Whichever path you choose, it'll lead you to a leveled bed and outstanding prints. And there you have it, our wild and wacky journey through leveling your 3D printer. It's been a blast exploring the world of bed leveling with you. If you had a blast too, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Sousei FX crew for more adventures in the realm of 3D printing. If you have any questions or need a dose of wisdom, drop them in the comments below. Keep rocking those prints, my amazing creators.